Hi guys, in this chapter we will learn that what is the difference between groups and components of the SketchUp. So we have to see two things. It's very important things in the SketchUp. If we draw and we prepare the any models, then should we know these two things, groups and components. That is very important things in the SketchUps. So let's go with start now. First I'm going to draw a rectangle shape here. Another one is here somehow big, so we can identify that very well. Now we are going to push pull this much and this also same height. Okay, just click like that on, or you can triple click on the object and right click, then you will find the make group. Just click on make group. Now it's group. You select once, it will be select. Not like that. See this, if you are select one face, it's selecting one face. So now here we are going to triple click and select all, then right click and come to here. See, make component, or the command you can use the G also. So make component here, give to your component name. I'm giving name is one, nothing here. I'm going to change or write, just create. Then it's asking the already is there, so we are going to number 2. Okay, here also 2, because before I was prepared. Just you click like that and it's the component. Now see, edit, we can't find the here component. So these two objects, one is the group, one is the component. So what is the difference between the component and group? Let's go start. I'm telling to you now. Just click the group and use the move tools and push once control, so it will give us copy from here to here. Okay, then you push from the dashboard shift and star, then number of copies 6, then enter, will get the copy 6. Okay, and 1 is the original, means 7. Now I'm going to select this another one. Okay, component already selected. Then we use again the same the move command and enter the control, then appear the plus marking, means it will be give us copy, otherwise it will be move. And we'll take here and leave it like that and shift plus star from the keyboard, then push the 8 copies and enter. We get the 8 plus 1 is the our original, means 9. So these all are the group. You can select like that, like this all are the group, and this is the all are component. Look like same, huh? But what is the difference? Let's do some changing with this group. I'm selected it and I have should we go inside the group, then select the 2 times, then I'm prepare the one another rectangle, drop on the existing and select the push pull and see like that happening only here. This like that, as you like you can make. Here change only in this only one object, other are the same, nothing changed there. Then you come to in component and see what happening here. Here also you double click, then enter on your editing mode on component, then just click and draw the rectangle. You see the draw on all the components. Like if I here, sorry, draw here, you see all are here, and here, see how it look. This is the difference between the component and the group. If we are changing something there in group, then it will change the individually. And in the component, if we change, then all will be changed. So I'm saying something. See here, if we will take the push pull, okay, okay, okay. See, all are changing. We are going to change the only one object, but all the components objects are changing. This is the difference, main difference between the component and the groups. And these things are very, very important for the SketchUp drawing, because it's help to us make a object, modify the object very fast. So please practice with me, and if you didn't understood something, then you can ask me to again. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.